Have you ever launched a campaign, worked with a nice influencer, but didn't get any real results? You invested time and money, but the growth and the sales, the engagement didn't really happen. Now, what you really needed was the right creator. Someone with the right audience for your product, the right style, and the proven conversion. This is where MossCreator comes in. Today I'm going to show you how brands, even your brand, can use MossCreator to discover creators that actually convert step by step and how to make outreach super easy. Let's jump in. So first things first, what is this tool? MossCreator is a platform for brands and agencies powered by FastMoss. It is built to connect brands with TikTok creators that will help them scale. It's described as the all-in-one automation engine for TikTok affiliates and brands with massive creator database. It has over 250 million TikTok creators in the database, so you're not just picking from a handful. It has automated outreach and campaign management, bulk emails and tracking replies, and it matches creators with brands based on niche, metrics, performance, and more. In short, it helps you find the right creator for your brand, reach them, and manage the campaign all from one dashboard. So if you're a brand, marketer, or you want to sell products using TikTok, you will benefit from MossCreator because instead of guessing will this creator deliver, you get data-driven matches. Instead of spending time manually searching for creators, you automate the outreach and tracking. You reduce wasted budget on wrong collaborations, and you scale faster. Teams using MossCreator can reach tens or hundreds of creators with one workflow. So here are some examples of brands that can start using MossCreator. A beauty brand launching a new skincare line, wanting creators with beauty-focused, engaged audience. A fitness apparel brand wanting micro creators in fitness or the wellness niche. A gadget or home goods brand wanting quick video promotions. A digital brand, an app for example, wanting creators who do TikTok reviews or demos. So basically MossCreator is perfect for any brand that wants to work with TikTok creators, but they don't want to waste their budget and they don't want to guess which creators will convert. Here are the main features from MossCreator that you really want to know. It has a large creator database, so over 250 million creators. You can search by niche, region, engagement, and audience size. You can have automated or bulk outreach. You can send targeted email campaigns or messages to many creators at once and track responses. Then you have matching engine. So the platform helps match brands with creators based on performance metrics and niche fit. Campaign tracking and reply management. You can keep track of which creators replied, who's active, and status of collaboration. Performance metrics and creator data. You can see a creator's past performance, average views, engagement, and conversion estimates implied by match functionality. Then scalability. It is suitable for both single brand campaigns and agency level multi-creator campaigns. It is honestly one of the most cost-effective influencer outreach platforms you can use. It is so easy to use and it actually drives results. So let's see exactly how it works and how you can use it for your brand. So here's your actionable walkthrough. The very first thing, you need to click the link below and sign in and set up your brand profile. So you go to the MossCreator website, you create your brand account or log in, and you fill out your brand profile, the niche, the region, target audience, and campaign goal. This helps the system target the right creators for you. Then you define your campaign parameters. Which niche is your campaign in? Beauty, fitness, home goods? What region or language do you want? What size creators are you comfortable with? Micro, macro, and what type of content do you want? Do you want a demo, review, challenge, giveaway? Setting this clearly helps you filter the creator database later. Then it is time to search and filter the creator database. So in MossCreator, you can use the search and filter function. Select niche, region, audience size, engagement rate, and past performance. You can review creator profiles by looking at their recent videos, audience comments, view counts, and engagement, and shortlist 10 to 20 creators who look like good fits. So their content style matches your brand and they engage with their audience. Then you can review performance data and match quality. So for every shortlisted creator, you can check their recent campaign performance if it is provided, see sample videos and results, so how many views, engagement, and conversions if available, and make sure that their audience overlaps with your target market. So if you're selling fitness gear, a creator posting about home workouts is a good fit. Then it is time to start outreaching, sending collaboration invitations. So once you pick a group of creators, you can use MossCreator's outreach tool, bulk email or message to send a custom invite. So you can say, hi, we love your content about this niche. We're launching this product and believe your audience will love it. Are you open to a collaboration? We can offer and include your brief terms, and you can use templates but personalize them for each creator. Track who replies, who asks questions, and who is a no-go. MossCreator's tracking helps you manage this. MossCreator also has an AI email generator, which makes creator outreach insanely easy. You just choose your use case, add the product, and the AI writes a professional, personalized email for you. You can send it as it is or quickly tweak it before you do. This saves hours when you're reaching out to multiple creators at once. Then it is time to negotiate and finalize terms. So when creators respond, you'll want to clarify the deliverables, how many videos you need, what format and deadlines, confirm compensation, fixed fee, product and fee, commission-based, and agree on metrics and reporting. Do you expect views, click, sales, and set timelines and content review. So if you need to approve the video. You can manage all this inside MossCreator or externally, but the tool keeps the outreach flow organized. Next, you can monitor campaign and performance. So once the content goes live, you can use MossCreator on your own analytics to track video views, engagement, referral, traffic, and sales. So if you set unique codes or links and audience feedback. You can compare performance across creators, which collaborations yielded the best response, and use learnings for future campaigns. Maybe micro creators work better, maybe certain content styles win. And after you see what works, you can expand to more creators using the same filters and parameters and automate outreach. So you can reuse the templates, set follow-ups, and use MossCreator's bulk features. Refine your creator selection criteria, fewer follower counts, better niche fit, and stronger engagement, and build ongoing relationships with top creators for long-term partnerships. To make your collaborations smooth and effective, here are some outreach tips. Make sure to analyze every creator that you come in contact with and personalize your outreach message. So explain to them exactly why you enjoy their content, why you think their content is perfect for your product. Next, be clear about what you expect, the timeline, the deliverables, and tell them exactly what they need to include or not include in the video beforehand so you don't have to ask for revisions later. Next, offer your brand idea and your brand's vision, but also allow them to have their creative freedom as a creator. It is super important for their audience and for the campaign to feel natural. Try to think of the creators that you're working with as your partner, and this is how the campaigns will get the best results. So if you want to leverage TikTok for your brand's growth and reach out to the best creators for your niche, make sure to check out MossCreator at the link in the description. So it is now time to set up your MossCreator account, define your campaign criteria, and find the best creators for your products. Let me know in the comments if you've used influencer marketing before and how it worked out for you, and if you've enjoyed using MossCreator by now. If you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!